Now, let's look at this. It says, if this is equal to 0, find y in terms of x. That is, y should be on one side, while every other thing should be on the other side. Okay? Now, how do we go about this? To do this, first of all, what is the base like? I told us, if you look at something like this, there's no number. It means 10 is there behind the scene. We call it common logarithm. So therefore, I can boldly say now, if you want, if you don't want, you can still leave it without writing the 10 equals to 0. What are you doing here? It's saying that it was here before, they kick him to this place because this guy was complaining. So I will say, okay, no problem. Please go back to where you were before. Okay? So, if we have the same base, and this is plus, what is that telling you? It means you can join this group together using multiplication. We're going to come here to say, take one of them, this multiplied by this, that is equals to 0. What is the meaning of 0? The last law of logarithm. Go and check that video. It means what? Log. Because 10 is here, I will still put 10 here. Can put anything because 0 is here. I will put 1 here. Whatever base it is, as long as 1 is here, is 0. So because 10 is here, I will put 10. As you can see now, this is here, this is here. So you can see it's logic. Therefore here now, I can say because this and this are the same, these two are equal. If the parents are the same, therefore the children are equal. We are asked to find what? Y in terms of x. So we are going to come here to say we are looking for y. We expand this to say this equals to 1. We need y to be alone. So this guy need to move first and join this guy to become 2 s squared. That is plus. Minus becomes plus. I want only y to be here. What is with y? Is s squared. So I will divide this one with s squared so that this and this can cancel. Only y will be here. Because I divide this side by s raised to power 2, this other side is crying. What about me? What about me? Also divide me, because we should not have partiality. You can leave it like this, and if you want to work on this further, you can do it by saying, for instance, this here. Okay, let me just, that's this plus this over this. This will cancel this. You agree with me? It becomes 1 over s squared plus 2, which you can also express as this. So one thing you should know is that I can leave the answer here. I can leave it here. I can even leave it here. Anyone. So if this question has options, you can just stop here and check if any of them correspond. If not, you continue. Hope this is understood. Thank you for viewing.